All right, guys, it is Tuesday, right? Tuesday morning. It's about 10, almost 10. We are heading to Soho Metropolitan Hotel to go to an event, check out Velour Lashes. We're gonna bring you with us. Connie's with me again, and then we're gonna do some work after, so stay tuned. Oh, it's really bright. Oh, maybe this is...
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in this...
Alright, so we are here at one of the penthouse suites of Soho, and I am going to get some lashes.
You can use the applicator, makes it really easy. You just hold it to the side, and then you just like apply it this way.
I feel like most of the time, like I have trouble with like
holding it. Right. So another really like a great hack is if you use the mirror and you turn it this way, and like literally go over it like this, and press on. It gives you kind of like an upper advantage.
And then like how long do I wait? It has to get like a little tacky.
Yeah, I give it like a...
Like I always put it on too early, and then it's just like...
And then it, yeah. You can wear these up to 20 to 25 times. But what you want to do, once you've worn them, I would say like 10 times, you just want to remove like the excess.
When you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another.
Do we see the difference already?
I met you in the summer. I love.
So now you'll see you have no gap anymore. You know that little gap?
Yeah. The lashes on me. I feel like my eyes look significantly larger.
To do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but
Alright, we're gonna film how she's doing this because it looks really, really cool.
Okay, so this gives you kind of like that bohemian wave opposed to like, I don't know, prom hair is what I call it. Like the difference is all I'm doing is kind of making these little like
bends?
Circle kind of bends. So even if you, at home, if it's a little bit easier for you just to go like this, hold that piece like that, and then clamp it.
Okay.
That's a good way for you to do it at home, so it's easier.
Okay.
And then you just kind of drop it and see where that S shape is going.
Okay.
And then you're gonna just curve it back through. So I kind of like snake it through. So the difference doing it this way opposed to like using a curling iron is that the wave is flatter, so you're not going to build too much.
That's like what I always wanted.
Yeah, so you're not going to get too much volume in the hair because when you're curling outwards and inwards with a bigger iron, then it creates a lot more volume in the hair, right? Which is good. It depends on the hair texture, but your hair could easily get too big. Yeah. So I just want to make it look, you know, like you took it out of a cool bun, it has a bit of that wave. And then you comb this through after and it looks really kind of like floaty. That's like your French girl hair.
Nice.
Style.
I just, like, I don't use my straightener too much, but now I will.
Oh yeah, and this isn't, because I'm not like concentrating the heat hardcore going over, it's not that bad for it, so you're not going to do any thermal damage this way, because you can see how I'm like opening and closing it.
Yeah.
I'm not going on with like an intense amount of heat.
Okay. Do you kind of twist each piece too, or just leave it straight?
No, like you can.
Yeah.
The more changes you have in the hair, then the more natural it's going to look, right? Because you don't want it to look perfect. If you want to put some of your ends flick out a little bit, let it do that, right? Like you have to think of like, you want your hair to look like it's been touched, right? Not that you've really put an iron through the whole thing. Alright, good?
Yeah.
So say hi.
I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to find a better angle. There we go.
Is that good? Yeah. Just go through.
And you're like twisting it as you're pulling.
I'm just kind of like snaking it, yeah.
Okay.
And then you can kind of like, as you drop it, you can just give it a little tug so it stretches out even more. Okay. So cool. Let's do that. Curve on the end.
Yeah.
Let's do another one.
I'm trying to see like maybe this angle's better.
I'm just kind of like opening and closing the flat iron like just a little bit.
Okay.
So it makes it easier for the hair to travel through it. Hi, how are you?
Hey.
You're doing that with the flat iron?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen it done like this before, so I'm just like, let me film this and document it.
And you just got like the beach waves.
Yeah.
But I've never seen anyone do it like that.
I know.
It's like you're physically shaping it.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Exactly. And then you're not creating a huge amount of volume, right? So
Yeah.
I'll show you how to finish it. So I would just
I like it.
kind of brush it out a bit.
Okay.
That's like that French girl hair.
Yeah, that's what I want, like all the time.
That's how you do it.
That's my life goal, to have French girl hair.
No, it's actually really easy once you get the hang of it. Because the whole, like, I think too, everyone's used to curling their hair and having it look really symmetrical on both sides.
Oh, I love it.
This doesn't have to be like that. Like the imperfections in it. Like you can see this one's a little bit tighter and that one's a little looser. That's okay.
I love that like it can start up higher, because when I curl my hair, it always like for some reason starts here and below.
Yeah, you can start it higher, but you're not gonna get some crazy volume in the top.
But you have really straight hair like mine.
Yeah, my hair is like super straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can just use like, if you want a little bit more floaty, go in with that texturizing spray.
So I'm gonna have to come and get my hair done by you like all the
absolutely.
time.
You can find me on Instagram.
Yes, I'm gonna get your handle for sure. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like in the final product. How cool was that tutorial though? Now I know how to make my hair look like a French girl's. We're upstairs, this is like the 3rd level. This is like their selfie wall. We're gonna take some photos now.
As well, I was never any good at being away from you.
Hey guys, I'm here with Corey Lee. We are here for La Roche-Posay's event today. Super excited to see what's going on. Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
to get my aura red. I just took like the picture thing and I'm pretty excited. I've never had this done before.
Okay, so everyone's going to get, and I'll go to keep it safe, a card with the different colors and their meanings so they can refer back to it when they get home, as well as my card. And so yes, so again, the way that it works is that different parts of your hands are connected to different organs, and those organs are connected to your different chakras. The camera, which was invented by the Coggins family in the 70s, it's called the Coggins camera, and it's still sold by them, custom made to order. The camera has 2 hand sensors with points of resonance over these particular points that are related to the chakras in your body, and that's how it sends the information to the camera. Now, when we talk about our aura, what we're talking about is our actual like biochemical energy field. It's around us at all times. We can't feel it, or we can't see it, but we can feel it. We can like vibe on people's energy. We can like sense good and bad energy. So what we're talking about when we're actually talking about our biochemical energy field, it's made up of these different colors from our chakras. Now, our chakras are throughout our body, and what they are spinning wheels of energy. Chakra actually translates to wheel or disc in Sanskrit, and what it actually means is are these different points of energy throughout our bodies through which energy flows, and they're all spinning on their own individual axis. So based on what's happening inside your body, inside your mind when you take a picture, some will spin greater, some will spin smaller. So say you have like a very healthy kind of like spiritual and mental being, but you have a kind of uncomfortable conversation on your mind, that will definitely affect it. Your throat chakra will be kind of spinning out of control. So you, essentially what's happening is that your aura is in constant flux, your energy is always changing, and it's kind of dictated by these spinning wheels that are all spinning.
Cool. I'm green. Oh, cool. I'm gonna let you explain it. Because I don't know what it means. I'm like, I'm green, yay.
Okay, so this is your past 2 weeks, your future 2 weeks, who you are as a person, and your energy level. Energy is pretty high, almost at the top of the page. So pretty good on energy. Now the past 2 weeks you have red, orange, and yellow. You can see that this red is a little bit dark though. So red is your root chakra, which is your grounding life force, power, energy, vitality, sense of self. When it goes a little bit of dark, it means overworked and overtired. So just like the first chakra block, any kind of dark energy will be just tired energy. So we have tired energy the past 2 weeks. You also have the orange of your navel chakra, so creativities, passions, desires, and confidence. And then the yellow from your solar plexus, which is between your belly button and your heart, and that's your good vibes, humor, fun, positivity. So even though you were a little bit tired, it still was like a creative and fun past 2 weeks. Now over your body, you have your red root chakra as well, so just rooted and grounded in terms of who you are in your body. And then the next 2 weeks and above your head, you have a lot of green. Green is your heart chakra, and it can mean a couple things. It can mean love and forgiveness, or focus on career and thoughts of career. However, it has a third meaning if you have a lot of green in your photo. So normally when people have green, it's just like a little hint here and there. If there's a lot of green in your photo, what it means is that the person's committed to making the world a better place, because green is the color of positive change. It's really like leading with your heart and being that positive change you want to see in the world. Now, above your head, you have a little bit of light blue throat chakra. So that's your communication, speaking the truth and hearing the truth is important to you. It's something that's like actively on your mind and in your thoughts. And then there's indigo brow chakra, which is just above that. That's located right here. It's literally your third eye and your sixth sense, so it's your intuitions. So highly intuitive person as well. So that's you, lots of colors active and open, bright colors. So cool, thank you.
Still hurts a little bit, but not that much.
Hey, so we are just at the condo inspecting the unit after some people did construction. So this is beautiful space. As you can tell, I am still obsessed with my hair. I need to be able to recreate this, so we'll practice on the next one.
I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control.
Alright, it is Wednesday, almost, it is noon. Rika is here. We are going to go to Yorkdale. I gotta return some stuff. Rika's gonna go get her pants hemmed maybe and look at some shoes. And I gotta get back here, edit, get some stuff sent out before the end of the day, and then got some more showings for clients. So let's get going. Wednesday, my sister and I came back from Yorkdale after the errands and lunch. She left to go see a friend. I have to go do some showings now. Don't think I'll be able to bring you along, but I just wanted to let you know that I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. I am about to do my taxes, so wish me luck. It's tax season. Everybody's favorite. I'm just about to make a smoothie so that I have something to keep me going. I did try a new smoothie recipe today. It's avocado, a little bit of blueberry, one raspberry, basically leftovers from yesterday. black kale. Really interested to see how that tastes. Some mango, frozen mango, and we are looking at some of the Novaform powder that I like, and some ginger. I'm gonna add some almond milk now too. Actually tastes pretty good. It's very sweet. I put some honey in afterwards too. Anyways, back to taxes. Cheers, I will see you in a bit. It is Friday morning, just had my real estate meeting. The team is currently gone. Connie is doing some paperwork so we can fill that out. Just wanted to show you a little bit preview of the office we're gonna be working in. It hasn't been furnished yet, so stay tuned. But it is super bright. Look at all those windows. And we just did like a mini shoot for the team. And I think we got some good photos. I am going to head to the P.O. box soon and maybe bring my sister to lunch. Kind of want to check out Nordstrom Rack. We'll see if she's up for it. And this is today's outfit. I am wearing my favorite cashmere crop Zara sweater, the Club Monaco pants that you saw in one of my hauls, and my Reebok classic sneakers. So, casual look, but no jeans. I'm gonna try to do a video on like how to dress casual with no jeans soon. But the only thing about these pants is because they're linen, they wrinkle so easily. Hey guys, oh, it's bright. So it is, I actually really like this song, sorry. It is almost 1 o'clock. I am just leaving the office now, and it's so dangerous. I've never really worked in a Chinese plaza before and have really never been a fan of bubble tea, but there's a Cha Plus here, and I am obsessed. So my new go-to drink is the passion fruit tea. So it actually has like little bits of the passion fruit seeds inside. Yum. Well, hello. Travis just told me, why do I say always hey guys? So I am doing something different. I spent the whole day cleaning. I actually did a really good job today. I mopped, I cleaned the bathroom, did the laundry, and Travis was really helpful too. He made some cookies and he cooked a delicious dinner, which you can see here. Asian inspired, because he loves all things Asian. He said he didn't want to be in the video, so we won't show him. Anyways, I'm gonna end the weekly vlog here, and I will see you next time. Just don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.